if you're targeting, you want to make sure it's all about, like, if it's weight loss,
It's got to
it's
be
weight
that.
loss.
That's
If
the
it's
whole
personal
channel.
development, it's personal development,
That's the whole channel.
right?
Yes.
If it's network marketing, it's all network marketing, right? Your message must match the market,
Yes.
right? Especially if you're going to do that with a platform, because it's a lot more effortless to go through the sales process when you're communicating, because if your message is matching that market, they'll pay attention. If it's not, they're not going to pay attention, right? So I'll give you an example. So if I open up a TikTok right now, right? Like, I have my own personal TikTok, but if I open up another one and I wanted to focus on a niche specific, I would choose, like, let's say, for example, network marketing. Now, network marketing, I've done it many, many years ago. I could talk about it. I can go, oh, guys, if you're sick about prospecting, there's a better way, right? And tell a story about that real quick. Now, my message is matching and reaching the audience is matching the market. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through TikTok and I'm going to go into search and I'm going to look for only network marketing things, all about network marketing. So the algorithm knows this is my interest. You see? And now you can get really targeted with the messaging. But that goes with anything, even if it's weight loss, right? You're going to talk about weight loss, right? Always about the benefits. So, yeah, cool stuff.